So how are you guys today? And I will show you my code of Starship and explore it too. So let's go. This is my Starship. It's a simple Starship. Heat shield tiles on the one side. The real heat shield tiles, as you see, every tile is real. Now for the real thing, it's time for code. It's a very big, messy code for testing that's remove the unimportant part. Here it is. First, I will show you how I do test. I have save a point from Reddit file and test again and again from there until it is good. So I will show you how it works. Like when we start from a point, we have to press the code activation button. And while this on open and deployed. Okay, let's go. I haven't made a code for all. I tried, but it failed miserably. None. In just we have to do is to roll the heat shield part downward, and the rest of the code will do work. So how it navigate? First, I have a code which move the heading towards the target, and main thing is pitch. You see that target thing is the position where it would fall currently. 3, which is not on target, so we move the ship downward, so it goes forward and move toward targets. But you move away, it goes up like this. So it's maintain its position at a point by going up and down. By going down, it move forward, and up it move back. And these flipping over, and they scored first target landing. And this is the code. Now I will explain you. Thing here is important is target coordinates, which are the latitude and longitude values written in the vectors. Main thing, it is the point where we'll be landing. And down there is hover altitude, which we don't need because I use someone else's code. And we don't need that here. I know the code, I understand the code. And there is a wait until activation 9 is equal to 1. Here, our code will start. It will move the pitch to 90 first. Unlock heading a target, then grunt. It's not much important. Important is what is below it.
And now for the while thing, it's mean the code will run until the what we want, like not miss grounded. It's mean until we will be on not on the ground, this code will run. So we will first set the variable target position to our target coordinates which are written above. Then below is the distance navigation thing, which is only the lateral distance from our target. I have video on how to make that lateral distance calculate. You can check that video. So it's like when our lateral distance from target is less than 2500 meters, our learning will start. And our altitude less than 600 and lateral distance is less than 2500, it will start. If our lateral distance is more than 2500, It means we are very far and it's about to land. So it will cancel the landing and broadcast BF2, which is not target landing. These are the custom expressions. This is the main distance thing, which is distance navigation target position for calculating the lateral distance from target. If you have this, you can do most of the things. Now time to go below, and the only thing important is set craft pitch too. Other things are not important because I made my own pitch thing, so we don't need this. But we will need this in the target landing, but not in aerodynamic control. So the important thing is pitch, which is the same the lateral distance from target. We will minus the lateral distance from where currently our impact point. So we will minus these, so we get a value. And so if the value is less than 200, it means if the difference is less than 200, our pitch will change according to this. If it's less than 200, then it will like move up. It move up so that it won't overshoot. While if it is more than 200, the little distance and this difference, then the starship will move a little bit down so that it can go forward. So this is a plus and minus 2 retrograde belly flop, which is the retrograde angle from which it goes up and down plus 9 and minus 7. So it will be retrograde. And now we will go for that impact point code. This is impact point code. It will show where we will be currently falling, and I added this to get the PCA coordinates of the point where we will be falling currently. So this is the main thing. By using this you can make boost back burn, aerodynamic and landing, target landing things by calculating the differences. I have video on how to make this, you can check it too. Now let's go for the belly flop code. Check this in pink. It is a very simple code. It is just 90 minus inverse tan of 0 minus velocity vertical divided by velocity lateral. We will multiply by 180 by 3.14 to convert this radian into degrees. So the overall dividing minusing this by 90, we will get the retrograde angle for Starship for maximum air distances to reduce the speed. Now let's go for the heading part. Our Starship nozzle pointing. It is this thing. It also starts when we activate group 9, and it will work until we will either the lateral distance from target is less than 15 or altitude less than 6,000. And the whole core I didn't make, so I don't know much about it. And now let's go for landing thing. And this will work until we will be below 64 altitude meter. Our chopsticks will catch, and when we'll go below altitude 103, it will broadcast catch to nearby craft, which our tower will receive and move the chopsticks. And this is the abort core. It's mean if we are below 103 meter and we are still our litmus distance is more than 25 meter, it will abort the catch. And this is the belly flow to it start when our literal distance is more than 2500 during the falling. And this is basically my code, full code.